So this is some really early development on a tool to connect Houdini to Comfy. Where's Comfy? There's Comfy. And so what it does, it's basically an HDA, and inside of that is a Python snippet, which is new in Houdini 21. And so a lot of this code, usually this is for image processing, but I've stuck a lot of other code in here. Maybe you're not supposed to connect it to Comfy. And so that connects to Comfy and generates the 8 images, stamp images that we need to shape scatter, which is also a new tool in Houdini 21. So I've got all my plants here. And so the way it works is you need to get when you install your Comfy Windows Portable, which you can find on GitHub, you need to point to its output path where it's going to be putting the images, which are here. And you need to get its address, which you can find when you first run the bat file. You'll find that in the address bar right here. You need to copy that over as well. So that's all you need to run it. And and the model name. You need to download a model and then say which model you want to use of the many models you might download. And that's it. And then you just put a base name in and hit generate. So let's say I put in plant and I hit generate. It's gonna, you can see over here, 8, 7, it's a little slow, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And that is writing out to the Comfy output folder. And you can see here, it's updating those plants. And is that ready? Yep. And so now I have a bunch of new plants here, and you can see it bumped up to version 9. So I now have 9 versions to try out. So let's say I go through these, and oops, I got this later on, sorry. Let's say I go through these versions and I'm like, ooh, I like version 3. I want to keep that. So the problem with this tool is that right now it's reading from the ComfyUI output directory and with this live Python snippet, and you probably don't want that. You want to be able to preserve what you saved in your local HIP setup in your project and make that more portable. So if you hit commit, that will make a little subnetwork here, which is exactly the same output. So if I plug that in, you can see I have the same result. Maybe dive inside. It has made the 8 images from that latest version. It's made the 8 images from that latest version in your local project folder. So you no longer need this HDA. You can just save this out, and now you've got those files. Again, it's a very early tool, so I'm just trying it out. There's a lot of betas of ComfyUI and Houdini. I just couldn't get in any of them. I wasn't invited to the party, so I figured I'd have my own Comfy party with Houdini and just make my own. And this is just the beginning of the tool. If it helps anybody as a base to develop your own, just dive inside in here, and all the Python code is in here to connect Comfy to Houdini. A couple other things with the tool. In the prompt here, I added a wildcard, so you can say, leafy, spiky, whatever plant, or, cracked, whatever rock. And then also, because this is an early tool, I'm not doing transparencies. I just wanted to try it out. So that's why I set on a blue background and I'm chroma keying it out. And I think for rocks, I set on a green background, and then just over that way they would comp over each other. And so there's the result I get. Anyway, early tool, have fun playing with it, and I will of course develop it into a proper tool that I can use. This is just an early one to play with if anybody wants to try it out as well.